everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing a two-part video. This is going to be a testing type of video. So this one I am going to be doing a 16 by 40. It is going to be a flip cup and drag. I had some great success with my previous video, really great blues and things like that. But I'm doing a comparison. Using Artist Loft Soft Body White as my white in the painting. And then another video I'm going to do the exact same colors, the exact same size of canvas, but I'm going to use the Amsterdam Titanium White. We all know there's issues with the soft body white, so a lot of people stopped using it. I want to show you the difference side by side, what one looks like versus the other. So this is the first video. It's going to be using the Artist Loft Soft Body White, okay? So let's get down on canvas and get started. I'll be right back. So I am going to be layering using the color Quinacridone Rose. I got a bunch of that mixed up because I really want the pink to come through here. I am using a Carmine Red, Amsterdam as well. I've got Soho's gold, which looks a lot like the 24 karat gold. It's a much thicker gold though. This here is just a little bit of Artist Loft Soft Body White that I had left over. I'm gonna use up. This is a beautiful pearl pistachio green from Arteza. Love their pearl colors. This here is my Amsterdam and Azo Orange. And this here is my Brilliant Blue from Amsterdam as well. All of my paints in every single pour I do is 1 part paint to 2 parts American Floetrol. I did not add any water, okay? And this particular size cup is a 7-ounce cup, okay? And then these bigger cups here are 16-ounce cups, okay? So you just adjust your math for the size of your cup. All right, so what I did in my other flip and drag on this size canvas is I layered 3 cups of paint, and that's what I'm gonna do again today. So my first color going in, I want to be pink. So this is the Quinacridone Rose. I'm going to come in with several layers of each color. Carmine Red. We'll throw in a little bit of white here. That will help lighten up the red a little bit, give me maybe a little lighter shade of red as well. Layer in some gold. Easter, Valentine's, all kind of the same color, huh? Let's put an isolation layer of white. And some orange. I'm not sure if you guys have been following me on Facebook, but I'm trying to pick up my presence on all my other social medias. It's quite the job to have all your social medias out there for people to see. Next, I'm gonna layer in some of the pistachio green. So if you guys are not following me over on my Facebook page, it's the same page as my YouTube, Studio 15 Acrylics. I'd love for you to follow me over there. You can see all the content I'm putting over there. I'm going to be doing a little bit of resin work over on that on Facebook. I'll post the resin work videos here on YouTube as well, but I want to do a little bit of resin work. All right, let's come back in with some pink. At the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, I took Mixed Media Girls business class. And I realized, you know, I'm leaving a lot of content out when I could be posting over on Facebook. So I'm wanting to bump that up a little bit. Also my Instagram, TikTok, you can find me all on those platforms. All right, as you can see, I've already pretty much hit the 8-ounce mark. And I still have 4 more colors to put in, but that's all right. It's only paint. And I scrape all the paint off of my table and use it as flow extender, or I let it dry and it becomes skins and I can make jewelry with. So, 2 more here. Now what I'll do is I like to put a little runway down, so we'll use a little bit of what's left of the gold. This has really got to be a good pour because I only mixed up enough paint that I'm going to need. A little bit of this white, so I'll do this again too. I'm going to do the first cup here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'll do the second one over here since the hammer's facing this direction. 1, 2, 3. And our third cup's going over here on this side. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm going to lift this one first and go this way. Lift up slightly, drag it along, just lifting out a little bit as I go. Do the next one, lift slightly, just lifting up just so that some paint will come out. And we'll do the last one. Lift slightly, just drag it along. There we go. What I'll do now is just scrape out what's left inside my cup. Lots of really cool things are happening through here. Now all I'm going to do is just take this paint that I scraped out and just give it a good spread. That's going to act as the flow extender, along with that extra white I have. Lots of cells are popping up here. That's cool. The reason why we put flow extender down, because we want the flow extender to flow off and the paints will use that as a runway to slide and glide. All right. Should be okay with that. I do not torch until after I am done tilting. I'm going to do my best to keep you guys in frame. This is a bigger canvas, so the weight of the paint is here. So I'm just going to pick this up kind of move this around a little bit and watch the flow a little bit. Bring this back this way first. Come back over here. Center. Come straight down. And we can come down to this last corner. Push that big giant white poof off. Don't like it. Bring it back. All right. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. This will be hung on the vertical, of course, but I'm gonna have to show it to you here horizontally because it's just so large. I'm gonna clean up my edges and sides, but I got exactly what I was looking for Really kept these pinks, blues, and the orange. The white selled up a lot, a little too much actually. So I am going to probably pull back away from using the Artist Loft Soft Body White and get back over to my Amsterdam White. But what I will do in this comparison, so you can see the difference in the two paints of the whites, because I didn't add a whole lot of white in the actual cups. So what I can do is I will do the same color theme, but using titanium white from Amsterdam, and you'll see a difference where we don't get these giant poofy cloud cells. But I absolutely love the cloudy cells. A lot of people go for that cloud pour look, and this is doing it without any extra additives. This is just the Artist Loft Soft Body White. All right, I'm going to clean up the sides and edges, torch, and then I'll bring you guys in. Okay, guys, here we are with the wet results. So let me bring you in, but look at the cloudy white cells. Nothing in the paints to make this happen. I just use the Artist Loft Soft Body White. All right, we'll see this one is dry. Okay, that's going to do it for today's video. So this painting is still a little wet in the center, so I'm going to do a really quick view of it because I want to get the dried result in here. But look how it's celled up with the white. That is just crazy. That is the Artist Loft Soft Body White. Okay? All right, I gotta get this back down. That is the dried result. Still a little tacky, but that is a wild result. That Artist Loft Soft Body White just really creates those big white poofy cloudy cells. So I'm noticing it more and more when I use it. The reason why I use it is because I do like it in some paintings, like my straight pours, when you pop those cloudy puffy cells pop up, it's just really, really cool effect. This one, it just almost took over the painting. So I'm going to be doing the Amsterdam Titanium White today, and I will get those dried results in the next video, okay? Because I want to do them right behind each other. So make sure you stay tuned to see the result from the second one. And in that second video, I will put both pieces side by side so you can see exactly how they differ. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.